Hello friend, in today's video we will talk about seasonal tablet. What is seasonal used for? How does it work? And what are its possible side effects? Please watch the video till the end. What is seasonal tablet? Seasonal tablet is an anti-epileptic medicine. It is used to control the fits and certain nerve related problem. It works by claiming the brain and nerve. Uses of seasonal tablet. Seasonal tablet is commonly used for epilepsy, nerve pain, muscles pain, in some cases anxiety, and its some side effects. Most side effects are mid and temporary, such as drowsing, weakness, nausea, but serious side effect in mood change, serve simple allergic reaction. If you notice anything unusually, contact your doctor immediately. Precaution: do not drive if you feel sleepy, avoid alcohol, and you are kidney diseases, yeah, or liver diseases. Thank you.